When you take delivery of your new Suzuki outboard motor, you'll be given these two booklets. This one is the owner's manual, and it has all the questions you'd normally be asking of your dealer. It explains how to use your engine, how to look after it, and what you need to do to keep it running in tip-top shape. The other is your owner's warranty and service book. When you take delivery of your engine, the dealer will explain to you what's required to keep your warranty up to date. Servicing is very, very critical with an outboard engine, and all outboard maintenance is largely preventative. So we want to get on top of anything before it can go wrong. After you've taken delivery of your motor, your first service is at 2 months or 20 hours, whichever comes first. After that, the second service is at 12 months from delivery date or 100 hours, again whichever comes first.